G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And this month at Wurth Australia, it's assortment month. Now last week I showed you the fantastic Wurth assortment cases. But today I'd like to focus on some of the assortments. And the one I have here is the Wurth hole saw kit. So we'll open it up and have a look. So the hole saw kit comes with hole saws from 19mm up to 76mm. Now everything in this case is replaceable. We also have larger hole saws up to 200mm which are available. So before we get into the particulars of the hole saw, let's give them a go. So let's take a closer look at the hole saw. First thing you'll notice is you've got a drilling depth of 38mm. Now with the unique tooth design, we're able to drill at much faster speeds, which makes it much easier to drill through things. Now these hole saws are made of quality steel with 8% cobalt. So these hole saws are good for plastics, steel, timber, stainless steel, copper, brass, just about anything you can imagine. Now the people who use these are obviously in the building trade, but also the automotive and the home handyman. Now in this fantastic case, you've got all the sizes you need to do the job. And you can always take it to the worksite. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and this case is ready for work.